Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Brain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you how to restore an old YouTube layout. First, open Google Chrome and search for Violent Monkey Extension. Click on the first link that appears in the search results. On the extensions page, click on Add to Chrome. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click on Add Extension. You will see a notification that the extension has been added to Chrome. Next, open a new tab and search for Stylus Extension. Click on the Stylus extension page, then click on Add to Chrome. Again, confirm by clicking on Add Extension. Once added, you will see the Stylus extension in your Chrome toolbar. Now click on the Violent Monkey extension icon in your toolbar. It will open a page with a bunch of code, but don't worry. Just click on the Install button on the left. This will open another page with more code. Click on Install Style. After completing these steps, go back to youtube.com and refresh the page. The changes will be applied, and you will see the old YouTube layout restored. If you encounter issues where elements like bars are still visible when you open a video in full screen, follow these additional steps. Add the uBlock Origin extension to your browser. Once added, click on the uBlock Origin icon in your toolbar. Find the settings icon and click on it. Navigate to My Filters and select the first line. Apply the changes, and this will help remove any unwanted bars or elements when you go full screen on YouTube. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.